So guys, this is the testing and setup video of iFly Skull Edition Plug Fly Flight Controller, this one, and I will test it on this drone. But the thing is, I don't have its correct size propeller right now. It uses 10 inches propeller, but I have only two left. So currently I have four 6-inch propellers. So let's see if it lifts off with the 6-inch propeller, and if flies well, then you can imagine the stability of this plug fly flight controller, because this one have adaptive PID tuning, means this can edit its own PID during flight by the drone vibrations. So this is a new feature in this flight controller, means no calibration. You don't need anything, just plug it to the quadcopter. It is only for quadcopters, and you are ready to fly. So, and one more flight controller is coming. I mean, the launch was today, but due to some logistic issue, I didn't launch it. uh, I'm planning to launch it in 1 or 2 days. So for now I will put some 6-inch propeller on this drone, and let's test fly it. So guys, here you can see the setup video. There is already Hamsa flight controller is inside, and the only drawback in Hamsa was that the messy wiring. You can still see a lot of wiring is inside. So the successor of Hamsa is coming, means no messy wiring. It will be directly plug and play kind of something, working on same INF, and this one is plug fly. So for now I will keep Hamza inside, but I will test it with this Skull flight controller. So the setup is very easy. Just place the flight controller, the skull facing forward, and just connect four of the wires to the all ESC wire. Just connect black wire to the yellow wire, uh, like this. Do it for all four ESCs, and the at back with the blue wire. This is the signal wire of this flight controller. Means this will connect to the receiver. Here you can see the receiver. I don't know what kind of wires I have connected to it. So just connect this blue wire to the I bus wire of this receiver. This flight controller supports I bus only, so you have to do a very little setting in your transmitter. No matter what kind of transmitter you are using, just use it at ibus pwm mode. Wait, I will tell you first. So guys, here I just turned on my transmitter. Maybe it is already set to the setting. I am just telling you how to set it to ibus pwm mode. Go to systems, and then output mode, and this is set to PWM iBus. Normally it is set to PWM S bus. Just shift it to iBus and you are ready to fly it. So guys, here you can see I have plugged the flight controller to the ESCs, just all the four wires with black wire to the ESC wires, and just match this yellow wire to the black wire, and it is fine. And this receiver wire to iBus port of the receiver. And now I will connect a battery to the drone. uh, Here I will connect a battery for testing. So you can see the drone is ready now. It is auto calibrated. No need of pressing any button. And you will get the arming switch on channel number 5. You can see here, if I flip it, the motor starts rotating, means it is armed. And if you disarm it, it will disarm. And on channel number 6, no matter it is a 3 position switch or a 2 position switch, in my case this is a 3 position switch. So if it is just at a normal position, then it will be in angle mode, and you if you flip it down, it will be in altitude hold mode. So this is so you will get two modes in this single flight controller, and which is a plug fly. So now I will stick this flight controller to the quadcopter with double sided tape and test fly it, and you can see its glowing eyes. Due to the white light, this light is little less visible, but normally if you see it, it will look very cool. फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर चेक करो गाइस, एकदम खतरनाक लग रहा है. सो गाइज इस पे लगी है 1000 kV की मोटर और उसके साथ 6 इंच का प्रोपेलर। 10 इंच का यूज़ करता हूँ बट अभी 6 इंच का ही अवेलेबल था। तो इसकी PID भी ऐसे ही टेस्ट हो जाएगी, क्योंकि नहीं तो अलग से ट्यून करनी पड़ती है, बट ये अपने आप खुद ही ट्यून कर लेगा फ्लाई करने के हिसाब से।